Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine a world covered completely in ice, but hiding a massive ocean beneath it. An ocean that may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And what if I told you this world could possibly support life? Today we're traveling nearly 628 million kilometers away to one of the most fascinating places in our solar system, Europa, Jupiter's mysterious icy moon. From a distance, Europa looks smooth and bright, like a frozen white marble floating in space. But look closer, and you'll see its surface is crisscrossed with long, dark cracks and ridges. Signs that something beneath the ice is moving and shifting. Scientists believe beneath Europa's thick icy crust lies a global ocean of salty liquid water. This ocean could be between 60 to even 150 kilometers deep, far deeper than any ocean on Earth. And here's the mind-blowing part. Because Europa is constantly squeezed and stretched by Jupiter's intense gravity, heat is generated inside it. That heat may keep the ocean liquid, even though surface temperatures are freezing at around minus 160 degrees Celsius. Recent spacecraft observations have revealed new details about Europa's ice shell, suggesting it may be thinner in some regions than previously thought. This increases the possibility that water from below could occasionally reach the surface, and maybe even erupt in giant plumes of water vapor into space. Even more exciting, scientists have detected chemical compounds on Europa's surface that may have come from the ocean below. These chemicals are important because life, as we know it, needs three main ingredients: liquid water, essential chemicals, and an energy source. And Europa might have all three. So the big question is, could something be swimming in that dark ocean right now? In this video, we're going to explore what makes Europa so special, how life could survive beneath its icy crust, and what future missions are planning to discover there. If you want, I can now continue with the next 2 to 3 minutes covering Europa's orbit and tidal heating, surface features in detail, possibility of hydrothermal vents, comparison with Earth's deep ocean life. Now let's go deeper into what makes Europa truly extraordinary. Europa orbits Jupiter once every 3.5 Earth days. But this orbit isn't perfectly circular. It's slightly stretched, and that small detail changes everything. As Europa moves around Jupiter, the planet's massive gravity constantly pulls and releases it. This creates powerful tidal forces that squeeze and stretch the moon over and over again. Imagine bending a metal wire back and forth. It heats up. The same thing happens inside Europa. This process is called tidal heating, and it may be strong enough to keep the ocean beneath the ice completely liquid. This also explains the strange cracks and reddish-brown streaks covering Europa's surface. These lines are believed to form when the ice shell shifts, breaks, and refreezes. In some places, blocks of ice look like they've drifted apart and rotated, almost like broken sea ice in Earth's polar oceans. Some scientists believe there could even be hydrothermal vents on Europa's ocean floor. On Earth, these vents exist deep in our oceans where sunlight never reaches. Yet around them, entire ecosystems thrive, powered not by sunlight, but by chemical energy. Tiny microbes survive there in complete darkness. If similar vents exist on Europa, they could provide both heat and nutrients, two critical ingredients for life. And that means life on Europa, if it exists, wouldn't need sunlight at all. Another fascinating possibility is that Europa might occasionally release water vapor plumes through cracks in the ice. If confirmed, future spacecraft could actually fly through these plumes and analyze their chemical composition without even drilling into the surface. Right now, upcoming missions are being designed to study Europa in detail, measuring the thickness of its ice, mapping its surface chemistry, and scanning for signs of that hidden ocean. Europa may not look dramatic at first glance. It doesn't have giant volcanoes or massive rings, but beneath that quiet, frozen surface could lie one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. And if we ever discover even microscopic life there, it would completely change our understanding of our place in the universe. What if the biggest discovery in human history is hiding beneath ice, in total darkness? Europa may look like a frozen, silent moon, but beneath its cracked surface could be a vast ocean, possibly twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. And in that deep, lightless water, Energy from Jupiter's gravity may be keeping it warm enough for life. Upcoming missions will scan through the ice, search for hidden oceans, and analyze chemicals on the surface. If we find even the smallest sign of life there, even a single microscopic organism, it would prove that life is not unique to Earth. That would change everything. Europa isn't just a moon, it's a question. Are we alone or not? If you're excited about exploring the universe and uncovering mysteries like this, make sure you subscribe and join this journey, because the next discovery could rewrite history.